Hey everybody, it's Derek here from HobbyBoxBreakers.com with tonight's 2012 Topps Finest box break. Here is the box, as shown in the preview video. There's a mark coming off the tee. I think there were some good ones on the back. Yeah, the one right over his mouth. I mean, you can see that they match the preview video. Go ahead and open both mini boxes and just get all the cards out here. Okay, here we go. Jared Weaver, Josh Beckett, Albert Pujols, Chase Utley, Paul Goldschmidt. Brett Lowry, Tyler Pastornicki, Jay Bruce, Jeremy Hellickson, Buster Posey. Giovanni Gallardo, Drew Pomeranz, Ichiro, Refractor, Ryan Howard, Tim Lincecum. Tsuyoshi Wada, Mike Trout, Alex Liddy, X-Factor, Lance Berkman, Prince Fielder. Starlin Castro, Bryce Harper, Brad Peacock, Austin Romine, Jay Bruce. Last pack from the first mini box, so this should be the auto. Brett Lowry, Tyler Pastornicki, Josh Hamilton, Tim Lincecum, Buster Posey. Well, that's fantastic. There's no way I missed it. That's the second time we've gotten, God dang it. Yeah, there's no auto in there. Ugh. I mean, I'll send a request to Topps, but God knows how long it'll take. This better at least have the patch auto, or geez, we just got Cole Hamels, Adrian Beltre, and of course not Drew Smyly, X-Fractor, blue. Ryan Zimmerman, Dylan Betances. That one card wasn't autoed, was it? No. Yeah, there just definitely wasn't an auto. David Wright, Brett Pill, green refractor, Jason Mott, Mike Napoli, David Price. Yu Darvish, Liam Hendricks, Miguel Cabrera, Giancarlo Stanton, Robinson Cano. Kirk Neuenhuis, Wade Miley, Drew Smyly, Matt Moore, Paul Konerko. Hanley Ramirez, Chipper Jones, Roy Halladay, Devin Mesoraco, Jordan Pacheco. Jacoby Ellsbury, John Lester, Jose Reyes, Drew Hutchison, Zach Kozlar. So, only one hit. The Drew Smyly blue X-Fractor. So we will, I'll contact Topps, send in the stuff. It's probably going to be a while though, so I'm going to send all these cards out and go from there. I will do that tomorrow, so hopefully get the ball rolling on that. Really sorry. Sometimes there's things that are just out of anyone's control except for Topps. So I'll post comments on this video to keep you updated, and I do apologize, but thanks again. We'll do another Finest on Thursday, ending on Sunday.